Hey guys, this is Joe Dover, Dover Living. I was just kind of feeling grateful today and appreciative to all of our clients that has took a chance on us, that to hire us, all the pool companies that are calling us, giving us appointments, giving us leads, letting us go out and represent you to their clients. And it has just almost really just been a whirlwind. I feel like it's getting around very quickly on what we do, and I feel like how good of a job and on who we are, whether it be me or whether it be Rip or my son Josh, we kind of know what we're doing. We know if you want to carry yourself to the next level of pool designs and sales, people are calling us, and it's working. We're out there, selling pools, designing pools. We got Noah and Haley out doing 3D designs for other designers that work for companies. And I think it's just great. Just in the last week, one day I'm out eating lunch with one pool company owner. Just today I was at a sales meeting with another one. On Saturday I was out on an appointment with another one, and they all kind of know each other. I just think it's really, really cool that all of our clients, they are competitors. They want to beat each other. But we get the rare, job of going out and meeting all the pool builders, and we just love that, and just know that we're kind of there for you. We also have realtors that we have a lot of realtors calling us. We're drawing up 3D plans, giving those to their clients that's trying to sell their house. We have builders that are calling us up basically for the same thing. We now have getting to be where we have a lot of homeowners hiring us to design for them, and then we help them find a pool builder. And so we're just kind of there if anybody wants our needs, pool design, sales, whether you're a pool company, whether you're a realtor, whether you're a pool, home builder, whether you're a customer. We are not competitors. We want to be partners with any of you. So anyway, I think our name is getting a name where people kind of know who we are, know that we are honest and transparent group of people here at Dover Living. And so anyway, I got some videos I want to show you guys of a few of our clients that we're working for. And if anybody needs this, want to give us a chance, just give us a call. Talk to you soon. Thanks.
There's no one else like you. 'Cause there's no one else like you. Said there's no one else like you. And there's no one else like you. In a long lost dream is where I'll find you. With the wind blowing through your hair brings me to my knees. The look in your heart. Will you wait again? In a long lost dream, it's where I'll find you. When I open my eyes, hope that you're by my side.